Hi, I'm Tom Allen Rose. I'm editor of CPA Magazine, and we're live at the Florida Accounting Show. Right now I'm lucky to be talking with James Blaelock. He's a CPA also and has a product called eFile Cabinet. And tell us how this helps accounting, tax, CPA firms. James?
Well, you find if you have to go after paper in your office, it takes a lot of time to do it. Coopers & Lybrand did a study a few years ago. They said the average office worker spends 1 to 2 hours looking for files. Now, in accounting offices, our biggest expense is payroll. And if we're looking for files, it's really hard to bill those clients. eFile Cabinet actually cuts that time down to under a minute a day for the average person, saving about an hour to an hour and a half a day looking for files. I know the first year I did it, my billing went up 20%. I was really surprised. The other thing it does for you, of course, is it cuts down on your paper costs. The toner, the paper, file folders, labels, you just quit buying those kinds of things. That'll save you somewhere between $500 and $1,000 a year per person in your office.
And you also have other applications besides in accounting offices that some of the clients might utilize eFile Cabinet?
Yes, in fact, we started out marketing this to accounting clients, and they referred it to their insurance people, their bankers. Pretty much anyone with a file cabinet, we're able to make it so that you can create the file cabinet on the computer just like it used to be in those metal file cabinets. We have a lot of accountants referring their clients to it.
Terrific. Any other thing to add for accounting firms to be looking forward to the e-filing at the end of the year for their electronic filing or for their tax season next year, James?
Well, you know, this is really a good time to stop putting paper in your file cabinets. We had one of our customers call us last February 14th and said, can we get a new copy of eFile Cabinet because our office burned down last night? This is a 10-person accounting firm in Alaska. Turns out they had lost everything in their offices. They rented some temporary space, bought some computers at the office supply store. By noon the next day, we had restored 9 years of tax and accounting information, and they were doing tax returns again. Now, they did have a problem, though. There was an article in the paper, local accounting firm burns down. Subtitle says, but all records are safe. They got lots of phone calls after that from people saying, you know, if you're this organized, we'd really like you to do our tax work. So it got in the way a little bit of getting their production done. Yeah. Now, I'm not really advocating that as a way to increase your business, but it's certainly a good way to save your business.
Certainly. Terrific. That's James Blaelock. He's an active CPA, has a practice for how many years in Utah, James?
I've practiced there since 1966.
Terrific. So he knows from where he speaks as far as making recommendations for accounting firms. Thanks, James.
Thank you.